Hey guys, long time no vlog, so welcome to a day in my life. Today is going to be a really nice, very long, tiring, deep cleaning day because this stuff is all out, this stuff is all out, that stuff is all out, that is a mess, that is a mess. That is a mess and a really big one. So basically I am kind of reorganizing my vanity. So yeah, I'm just basically wearing this really cute sweater I got from Sarojini years ago. I am wearing my pajamas and I'm also wearing my unicorn chappals. I have a couple of hours to finish cleaning and I have a couple of edits to do, so I'm going to take it through my day now. Let's go. Oh, by the way, speaking of mess, welcome to my room. I have packets in which I have to organize the Naya Saman and things that I want to keep for giveaways. I got another packet, so beautiful. I will share this on my Insta, probably will be up by now, by the time you see it. Some jewelry I shot with. I always keep extra plastic packaging, anything that comes, so I can reuse this and actually send out giveaway packets. That way we don't really create any new waste. I have Doug just chilling. I am editing this really fun fashion video which you can see on my other channel. If you don't know, I have a second channel now for fashion, so you can see it there. And I'm just completing this edit, after which we will have to get up and clean and organize everything. So yeah, that's pretty much what this vlog is about, because that's literally the way I kind of relax when I do deep cleaning and excessive like organizing. Deep cleaning not so much, excessive organizing yes. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I clear the mess that I have created and accumulated over the past few days, and I will also eat amrood in this vlog, so there's that. Cheers. So for the cleaning, I actually have a game plan, and listen to this, I think this will help. I have to organize my makeup, I have to organize my jewelry, I have to make space for like jewelry. I also have to keep my clothes, whatever clothes are out, into like a separate area, or I have to put them in a box, something. I have to figure out my clothes situation also. So what I'm going to do is I am going to pick everything up, keep it in the other room and divide it into the 3 categories that I mentioned before, which is makeup, jewelry and clothing. So jewelry stays in my room in the drawer that you've seen under the mirror. Then the makeup obviously goes into the vanity, and whatever extra there is, I'm going to find some place for it. And then the clothes will probably still be out, but they will be organized better. Makeup, 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 makeup. I have my hairbands here that I use for my shoes. I have embellishments that I use when I do my creative looks. So these are going to go in the makeup pile. This is a khali pile. This is going to be the khali pile. This is also the makeup, this and that. Okay, let's find more jewelry. More jewelry on the table. On the table. Why is my jewelry on the table? I will never understand. More. I just want to show you. Look at this. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see the mess? Can you see the mess? Can you see the mess? Hey Bhagwan. So this pretty much is all the jewelry that I found here, because मैं already इस कमरे में लेके जा चुकी थी most सामान. Now what we're going to do is basically put all of this back in its rightful place. So let's get started. I'm going to put you guys somewhere where you can see. I think from here you can see what's happening. This row, I guess. Oh, this is where the real stuff is. Can you see it? I store everything like this. I already have boxes, I have places for everything. I just need to properly put this in. Put you guys back. Oh, okay, let's do this. I really like these ones. These are new. I have a lipstick in almost every drawer of my house. It's not even funny. This is all beauty, so we're going to keep this away. This will go in the other room basically. So I basically use this organizer to keep the jewelry that I use सबसे ज़्यादा recently. Plus it has a khana for every single jewelry and अलग से दिखता है. Got this from Home Center a couple of years ago. Still going strong, works really well. So we're going to change all of this and replace it with the jewelry I've been obsessed with currently. Ta-da! So these are my neck pieces, another set of neck pieces. Things that I basically use the most in the shoot are एकदम ऊपर यहाँ पे चूड़ी है. There's a very beautiful neck piece here that I got for my mother. चूड़ियाँ, झुमकीज. These are my necklaces that I wear. अभी से I put them open with clips, and then these are the earrings that I wear the most. So this drawer is set. The second drawer is pretty much set. वो पहले ही set था. It's not as organized, but it has my extra makeup bags, a makeup remover towel, something like this. This is for my hairbands. Then this is also for my hairbands. दो चार random चीज़ें रखी हैं, scrunchies. This is the charger of the neon light. So this is the adapter of the neon light. I keep it here. And then this drawer, basically ये तीन drawers exactly मेरे jewelry के लिए बन गए हैं. And then this. So I did not have any other organizers for my jewelry. So I had a lot of packets from the jewelry. So मैंने हर चीज़ को individually pack करके इसमें रख दिया है. So as and when I need it, I can use it and I can see it सीधा. And yeah, there are two boxes here. All of my jhumkis are here. So super pretty. I made this drawer. If you guys have not seen my room tour, I actually built this and this with my father. And now we have the rest of the stuff to clean, which I will be doing tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. I showed you the jewelry drawer yesterday. Now I'm going to show you the other two drawers. नीचे वाला drawer में अभी भी कपड़ा है, which I need to transfer it to somewhere else. This one is the one with the jewelry in it, jewelry and rubber band, because you know how important that is. So this has all of my new makeup that I have to try, or something that I'm already trying and reviewing for you guys. Then in the second drawer, I have put more stuff which is new. So I have some new packets that I have to I have to even see what these are under se. Baki, these are also some new things that did not have space upar, so I put them as it is in the box. So kuch bhi kaho, my room looks, look how pretty my room looks here. Papa, vlog ko hi bolo. Vlog ko hi bolna. Mom's making something, I will make something too. What I'm going to make is over here. Okay, so now we're going to my room, which by the way has a Christmas sock on it on the door. Ta-da! Look at the mess. I'm going to show you how I've put my makeup a little bit. इसमें मेरे सारा face products हैं. This is my eye palette collection, eye stuff. This is where most of my makeup is, and I organize it. But this is organized. It looks messy, but it is organized. I know exactly where everything is. I have sorted my brushes. I sorted all the things that I need, and basically this has my essentials. So perfume, another rubber band, Q-tips for makeup removal, and also cotton pads for makeup removal. My washroom is so full of stuff. There are a lot of empties in here, but I've kept them for an empties video. I've been working on all of these for months to give you guys an empties video. This also has skincare. There's another mirror over here. I'm also going to do a face mask because अब बाल कर रहे हैं तो face mask भी कर ही लेते हैं. This is like a silicone brush, छोटा सा है, but this is so convenient. It just lathers the product really evenly, so you don't end up applying way too much कि वो बस सूख कर ही निकल जाए. And you don't need too much also, honestly, on your skin. You just need enough. I'm using this one from Plum. It's the green tea clear face mask. I've spoken about it a lot. I really want to try a new face mask, but because I was going to my derma and all also, I wasn't trying one too many things at once that were like too new. This I know works for me. It doesn't clog my pores. It actually really helps with my skin texture also, so I really like it. Those of you who are wondering where I was the whole of January and pretty much the beginning of Feb, I basically took a 2-day vacation right at the beginning of the year, which turned into like an 11-day vacation. I didn't even go somewhere else. I was just here, but I was in a hotel. and we had made sure of all the safety procedures being followed, stuff like that. We didn't even step out of the hotel. But I just really desperately needed a separation from my house and my work here, so we did that. And bus uske baad that thing happened, then I had another thing, and then there was a wedding in the family. So I just thought कि यही मौका है break लेने का, because things are only going to get like more worked up from here on, because influencers का काम literally कभी खत्म नहीं होता. We do not get any छुट्टीज. I think anybody who's in the social media business, be it an influencer, a PR, anybody who's working like behind the scenes, हमारे पास बिल्कुल नहीं time होता चीज़ों के लिए. So you have to really make sure that you're taking out time for yourself, and you have to make sure that you're taking chutti and everything also. That's where we are going to end this vlog. I am going to start vlogging way more often. It's just I think that my life isn't itna interesting for me to vlog it the whole time, but I know you guys really like vlogs, so I'm going to make sure that I do more of those. And yeah, welcome to February. There's going to be new videos every 3 days, and yeah, I mean, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tiny little vlog. Let me know about the vanity tour, because I have kind of put everything together. I am running out of space though, so I might take the drawer under also. I'll show it to you guys, of course. And yeah, I think you know what, let's call it a day. Let's go take a shower, let's go cook. Make sure you subscribe. I would love that. We're hitting 50,000 here very soon. There's another channel, and I would love to hit 1,000 there as well, and then we'll like grow from there. And yeah, you can find me on Instagram as well. Sara link mein niche dal dungi in case you want it. Tell me the kind of videos you want to see here, beauty lifestyle specific, and tell me the kind of fashion videos you want me to create on that channel. And yeah, I'm going to see you in the next one, which is going to go live on Tuesday, which is actually a collaboration with some of my absolute favorite beauty creators, which I think you guys already know about. So stay tuned for that. That video is ready. That video will be on time. I assure you it will be. And yeah, I'm going to see you on Tuesday with a really exciting challenge. Bye.